In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can transfer BNB from Binance to Trust Wallet. This is very easy and quick. The first thing you need to do, guys, is you want to log into your Binance account. By the way, you can do the same steps inside your phone. Now, after you open your Binance account, you want to move your mouse to Wallet and click on Fiat and Spot. So after, guys, you click on Fiat and Spot, you want to scroll down a little bit, and here where it says Search Coin, you want to search for BNB, as you can see. Now here where it says BNB, as you can see, now you want to click these three little dots next to that and then click withdraw. Now you want to get the wallet address of BNB from your Trust Wallet. Now you want to go to Trust Wallet. I'm going to open it right now. By the way, you can do the same steps on your phone. I just like to use the laptop. I don't like to record using phone. So you want to go to Trust Wallet and you want to get the wallet address. Here is how you can get it. I'm going to enter here the code, which is 123456. Now you want to click you want to click on receive in the top right, and now as you can see BNB chain. Okay, now I want to search for BNB in the top, click on that, and this is your wallet address. Click on copy, and it say make sure you understand this. Send only BNB beacon chain. So make sure you select the same network when you are sending from Binance. Go to now to Binance. Okay, confirm. Here make sure you select this same network, which is BNB beacon chain. Okay, and now you can select how much you want to send and stuff like that. Then click withdraw. That's it. Hopefully this video, guys, helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.